When Michelle gets home from work, hey honey, what'd you do today? I blew up a car engine and set it on fire. Neat. 01 Impala. Little shot of ether exploded the intake. This will be backdated after I get the car running again. There you go. My own stupidity. And for some reason, Chevy decided, GM, General Motors, whatever the fuck, decided to have these bolts and one long stud along there, which really ruins my day. Junkyard was fun. Once again, we got an Impala. Hello, YouTube land. This is my latest freebie, which is pretty nice. 2001 Chevy Impala. Might return the wheels. Dogs are going crazy over there. A little damage here and there. Inside's different, decent. Yeah. A little bit of change laying around, but nothing that I can't really fix and work on. Headliner, I can already see is drooped. Heavily drooped. Door panel needs to be replaced. Got drop down seats. The fuck is that? I don't know what this once was, but I'm throwing it out. Shut up, Trip. Gross. Trip's neighbor's dog. We got fog lights. Battery's currently dead. Working on that. It did have a blown up intake manifold and currently has a blown up fuel rail. Oh, we got more license plates. Oh. Well, if I got 2 more for my collection, that means. Sweet. Lots of dog food. Engine cover. 3800 series. Donut right there. I shouldn't have done that, but I really want to see what was underneath there. Old technology is a little strapped down. What's the differences between these two? Well, besides being expired. Which ain't bad though. Except the intake of this thing blew up. Intake manifold. I'm still battling a few gremlins here and there. That's the replacement one. The battery on it's new, but dead. You can see back there the fuel rail is damaged. Might try and smack it down with a hammer just to give it an old college try. That'll work, but que sera, sera. But yeah, she ain't bad looking. This is a little quick one because I don't really have much to say on it because I can't even drive it currently. Just expired inspection. Tell you what that green one is there. It had 120k. You can use switches. I was looking for an oil sticker, but can't find that. Owner's manuals and shit. What's this? Expired. That's a receipt there. Again, I can't really show much in here because of a dead battery. But yeah, cheap thrills Impala with OnStar. Oh, I should have lights in here. Tripper's still barking. He's an asshole dog, which the neighbors have. Still, for a free car, I can't be upset with it. This piece is the old intake manifold. Dog is annoying. Because I'm bored. I'm gonna replace this fuel rail anyway. I'm gonna damage that wire. Okay, I'm done with that. That's really good anyway. But yeah. 2001 Chevy Impala. Oh, is this an LS or a SXT? What were you? LS. One more to add to the books. Grab these plates. And then we'll see the pups. It's been a fun day. This is just more padding right here, just as a... Not them, they aren't mine. Revy! Girl. She's a very, good girl. Hey, Trip. Good boy. Now she can get all upset. She's very, temperamental. Trip, why are you being like this, bro? Oh. Good boy. His name's Trip. And Revy's getting a bit upset that I'm up there playing with another dog. Jealous girl. Well, anyway, I'll leave you with the Revy running back and forth. You can see a little landing strip there, and there's a strip on the other side. Oh well, thank you. Revy, what are you doing? Playing. Have a great day, guys. Well, what'd you do today, honey? I blew up a car and pushed it down the road. Because it's mine now. Sometimes I ask myself, why do I do this to myself? Then I realize it's fucking fun. And I am an automotive masochist. Yep. Just a big old automotive masochist. By the way, I'm all alone here. Why let someone else suffer with me?